Hi, I'm Jackie Sims Perry, creator and founder of Scarf Art Pre-tied Scarves. I'm a scarf lover, been a scarf lover for decades. So I created Scarf Art for scarf lovers and for women who are challenged by scarf tying and women who love scarves but don't have time to tie them. You can see that took seconds. I say 10 seconds to fabulous. Our tagline is pre-tied for you, just button and go. This particular design of the 15 in Art collection is called a nautical square. You can wear it in front or you can wear it on the side for all your different aspects of life, for work, for church, for special occasions, and for social events for the most part. Our products were created for women who are socially active and image conscious, women that are looking for an alternative accessory. This design is called a fishtail chic neckerchief, otherwise known as the big bow by our customers. It does have an adjustable band in back when your weight fluctuates. Our products are functional, they're fashionable, versatile, affordable, and user-friendly most of all. This one you can wear in front again, or you can wear it on the side. Our products give the illusion of a self-tied scarf. If you don't tell them you didn't tie it, they will never know. We have several channels of distribution, the main one being our dedicated website, scarf-art.com. As well, we're on all the social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. This design is called a detachable ruffle collar. It's, again, 10 seconds to fabulous is what I say. And there's so many different things that you can do with the ruffle collar. Scarf art is simplified sophistication and easy elegance. Pre-tied for you, just button and go. Thank you.